Good morning, everyone. We want to welcome you here to the NASDAQ market site as we get ready to begin another day of trading on the NASDAQ stock market. This is a very special day and week for us, as this is the United Nations General Assembly Week. So there's a lot of activity, a lot of buzz in this part of town in New York City, Midtown, Broadway's famous White Way. At this point, I want to bring up to the stage and invite Senior Vice President Jenny Rosberg to the stage to invite our guest today.
So, good morning, everyone. Many people are aware that this is General Assembly Week and that the United Nations and that foreign dignitaries from 192 countries will be visiting the New York City, including a few that will visit us here today at NASDAQ OMX. What some of you may not be aware of is that this is also Climate Week New York City. Climate Week New York City is an annual global forum to mobilize an international public-private response to climate change. It is hosted by international NGO, the Climate Group. The Climate Group and its partners, including the United Nations and the City of New York and founding sponsor Swiss Re, today kicked off Climate Week New York City. From September 20 to 26, Climate Week New York City will bring together the world's most influential government and business leaders to discuss the policies and public-private partnerships necessary to unlock the financing needed to ignite a clean industrial revolution. The Climate Group is an independent, not-for-profit organization working internationally with government and business leaders to advance smart policies and technologies to cut global emissions and accelerate a clean industrial revolution. Its global coalition of companies, states, regions, and cities around the world recognize the economic and environmental imperatives of taking immediate decisive actions on climate change. The Climate Group was founded in 2004 and has operations in Australia, China, Europe, India, and North America. As stated by New York City Mayor Michael R. Bloomberg, Climate Week New York City exists to focus the attention of world leaders on climate change and show innovative solutions that reduce emissions and create jobs. Here at NASDAQ OMX, we support the goals of the Climate Group and have been a leader in the exchange community in engaging in and supporting clean energy initiatives. The NASDAQ Stock Exchange is the chosen home to clean energy companies such as A123, Tesla, and SunPower Corporation, amongst numbers of others. We operate energy markets in the US and Europe, including a European market that trades carbon credits. And along with our existing Clean Edge Green Energy Index, we are about to announce the offering of the most comprehensive family of indices designed to track the green economy. NASDAQ OMX and the Climate Group are working toward the same goal of fostering innovation to improve the environment and the economy. At this time, I would like to welcome to stage Boudewijn Poelmann, Chairman and co-founder in Dutch Postcode Lottery, and Steve Howard, Chief Executive Officer and founder of the Climate Group.
The Climate Group's proud to work with our partners around the world, from Cisco to China Mobile to this great city of New York, through to our excellent partner, the Postcode Lotteries. We wouldn't be able to do anything without your support. This is relevant, though. This is about a clean revolution. And we're here talking about how to make money. I've got one simple message. It's carbon down and profits up. We forget about it in this time of recession, but we are in a century of unparalleled growth. In the next 25 to 30 years, we will triple the size of the global economy. 2 more economies alongside the economy we have today. At the same time, we're going to need to halve global emissions, so all growth is zero carbon growth. It's carbon down, profits up, it's a clean revolution. It's starting here this week in Climate Week NYC.
Thank you, Stephen. As you so eloquently said this morning, we are a very proud supporter of the Climate Group and of the work it's doing. The Postcode Lottery mission is to support organizations like Steve's and to take part and participate in companies that are involved in clean tech and in clean energy. So if your company is there, and if your company is doing this, keep up the good work that you are doing, and I'm sure we'll meet one day. Thank you very much for being here.
So, as a memory of today and starting of this week, I would like to hand over the NASDAQ crystal for green economy and a sustainable future. Warm welcome.